Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara and here I do unboxings and reviews and a little of this and a little of that. So today I have Ipsy and it is the glam bag, and this you get to make one choice, and you know it's been losing a little bit of its pizzazz. So I don't know, let's jump into this and see what we have. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. You know the thing. All right, so here's the bag. Here's the bag. All right. So here we go. Let's unbox this. All right. Well, first thing is an open box. It is Stellar Gaze Length Strengthened Mineral Mascara by Pacifica. Okay. Interesting. Something just fell out of it. Okay. And something fell over here. Everything's falling on me. Okay. Next we have, and I remember seeing this in like this is what you're getting in your bag. And I was interested in this Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask with super volcanic clusters. So I'm quite interested to see. Well, actually, let's just go ahead and look. Okay, so doesn't smell bad, and it just I'm not gonna dip my finger into that just because it doesn't look like there's anything crazy. I mean, it actually looks good. Like it, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stick my finger in it just because I cannot help it. So yeah, okay, this is gonna be something where, you know, this is like a little thing, but a little bit goes a long way. Like that little teeny tiny bit, like you can stretch that right out. So I don't feel the little clusters that it was talking about, but I'm sure that they're in there. I don't know. I mean, I really don't feel it. But that dried really quick, so that's good. Okay. All right. Yeah, I remember being really interested in seeing that. So, wow, that I can't believe how fast that dried. Usually these clay masks don't dry that fast. Look, it's completely dry. That's kind of crazy. Okay, well that's good. Okay, so well, next we have the thing. Find your groove. Okay. So that is $16, and you're supposed to leave that on for 15 to 20 minutes. And let's see, the Pacifica Stellar Gaze. Let's see, the MSRP on it is, I think, $14. I can really barely see that. Okay, so let's go here. Another thing that I was interested in, Herborian Skin Therapy, 17 ingredients. All right, let's find it on here. Okay, it is Skin Therapy Night Oil. So this multi-perfecting night oil does its best work while you catch the Z's. 17 herbal extracts like ginseng and rosemary on a mission to help transform your skin. It helps smooth, nourish, and plump. Okay, so it MSRPs for $68. So this will be something nice to try. Really getting into all of the newer skincare things. Let's see what it smells like. Smells horrible. Oh, it's not that bad. I think I smelled that maybe clay mask at first. It's not as bad as I thought. A little, oh, you can smell that rosemary. Woo! Okay. All right. Pearlise. And this is this the new Halo? Let me see. All right. Yeah, it is. It's the new Halo Glow BB Cream Highlighter. To me, it's new. Maybe it's not new. I'm thinking that this is new. I don't know why, but yeah. It's like I seen the other day, like the new Halo BB cream from Pearlise. And okay, so it MSRPs for 18 bucks. And it's packed with hydraulic acid and vitamin E. It's a liquid highlighter, hydrates and nourishes your skin while giving you a stunning and radiant glow. Okay. Oops. Oh, yeah, I dropped it. Sorry. Okay. So, last but not least already. Okay. And this is the thing that I was least interested in. It is Ren Clean Skincare Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Anti-Fatigue Body Wash. So, your shower experience just got a whole lot better. I don't know. I doubt that. Sulfate-free reviving body cleanser is packed with Atlantic kelp extract and energizing magnesium PCA to help nourish, smooth, and tone your skin. Massage a generous amount over your body with your hands or a cloth and then rinse. It MSRPs for 30 bucks. So that's all. I mean, really? That seemed to go really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Yep, that's it. Like, okay. But it's the glam bag. It's the smaller bag. Like, I mean, it is only like 12, 13 bucks. So not hating on it. That was a good mix of things. You got your skincare, you got your makeup. So it was good. It was good. So again, like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think. It seems like Ipsy, now that we kind of have this figured out, Ipsy is a little bit better than Boxy, because Boxy, the only way that you can get really good stuff is if you get into the store. So I'm thinking, you know, if you're just an Ipsy subscriber, you can get into the Boxy store and get the good stuff from Boxy. Because I'm getting ready to unbox the Boxy. You'll see that in the next video. Hopefully I put these up in the correct order. I don't know. It just seems like the pics aren't there, but the stuff in the store is amazing. So yeah, all right. You guys will see in the next video. It seems like Ipsy has, it's better than Boxy, even though I swear to gosh, they're the same thing. So, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. So I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.